Good morning, everyone. We have completed practice set 11. Practice set 12, we are going to learn word problems. So let me share my screen with you. All right. So here, question number 1 has been done. Right? Question number 1. Reshma teacher has taught you question number 1. Now again I revise this question number 1 so that we'll continue with question number 2. So how to solve this question number 1? The question is multiply. Okay, multiply the fraction. Now if we want to multiply the fraction, in case of multiplication, numerator get always multiply with numerator and denominator get multiply with numerator. For example, if it is 2 upon 3 into 4 upon 5, okay? So here, this
Teacher?
numerator, this is numerator
Yeah.
and this is denominator. So
Excuse me,
numerator
teacher.
always get multiplied with numerator and denominator. And denominator, yes.
Teacher, little bit voice is breaking.
Yes, teacher. Okay, now here clearly we can identify that 2 upon 7 into 21, 2 upon 7. Now 2 upon 7 is the field, right? 2 upon 7 is the field. 2 upon 7 bananas on 2 upon 7 of his field of 21. जहाँ पे of ये word आता है, that means it is multiplication question. Okay, Ashok Rao planted bananas on 2 upon 7 of his field of 21. So we'll write it as 2 upon 7 into 21. Okay, now in this case there is no denominator in 21 है ना, 21 के पास कोई भी denominator नहीं है, तो what we'll do, we'll take it as 1. When the denominator is not there in any question, so what we consider it as, we will consider it as 1. And after that, this numerator get multiply with numerator and denominator get multiply with denominator. See, in this case it is given, है ना? 2 get multiply with 21, 7 get multiply with 1. Now 2 into 21 is how much? 42 upon 7 get multiply with 1 means 7. Now can 42 be divided with 7? Yes. If we divide this 42 by 7, अगर हम 42 को 7 से divide करते हैं, तो 7 6 are 42 and the answer is 0. That means answer is what? 6. So how many acres? The area of banana plantation is 6 acres. Again, I repeat this. Please pay attention, everyone. Let me share my whiteboard with you. See, in this case, what the question was, Ashok Rao planted bananas on 2 upon 7 of his field of 21 acres. Okay. So how many acres he planted bananas? ठीक है, 2/7 portion में, उनका जो 2/7 portion है 21 acres का, उनमें उन्होंने बनानास लगाए हैं. तो हमको देखना है कि उन्होंने कितने एकड़ में बनानास लगाए हैं. तो 2/7 of 21 means how much? तो हम क्या करेंगे, 21 के पास कोई भी डिनोमिनेटर नहीं है, तो we will consider it as 1. जिनके पास डिनोमिनेटर नहीं होता है, तो वो हम कंसिडर करते हैं 1. Now again numerator get multiply with numerator and denominator get multiply with denominator. All right. Now 2 get multiply with 21. 2 into 21 is how much? 42. And 7 ones are 7. Now if we'll divide this 42 by 7, the answer would be 6. Answer would be 6. 42 divided by 7 is equal to 6. So the answer is how much? 6. Answer is how much? 6. Understood everyone? This is so simple actually. 2 by 7 into 21 on 1. 2 get multiplied with 21. All right. 2 get multiplied with 21. 7 get multiplied with 1. 2 multiplied by 21 is 42. 7 into 1 is 7. When we divide this 42 by 7, the answer is 6. Answer is how much? 6. Understood? This is simple. है ना? It's quite easy. Yes? Yes or no? Understood or not? Okay. Now another question we are going to take with practice set. We'll start with practice set 13. Okay, we'll start with practice set 13. Just a minute. Okay. Now in case of practice set 13, if you see that, if you see in practice set 13, okay, question 1 is write the reciprocals of the following numbers. Write the reciprocals of the following numbers. Now in this case, what is meant by reciprocal? So reciprocal means for example, if 7 is there. So reciprocal of 7 is 1 upon 7. Ulta, number ka ulta. अगर 11 upon 3 है, so that means the reciprocal of 11 upon 3 is how much? 3 upon 11. ठीक है? तो exactly inverse. Reciprocal means what? Inverse. So if the question is write the reciprocal of 7, तो 7 के पास कोई भी डिनोमिनेटर नहीं है, तो विल कंसिडर इट एज 1. तो उल्टा क्या होगा 7 upon 1 का? 1 upon 7. But the inverse of 7 1 is 1 upon 7. If it is 5, what is the inverse of 5? What is the reciprocal of 5? Now here there is no denominator, so we will consider it as 1. So 5 upon 1 is nothing but reciprocal of 5 upon 1 is 1 upon 5. तो जिनके पास अपना डिनोमिनेटर नहीं होता है, तो that we will consider as 1. So reciprocal of 5 upon 1 is nothing but 1 upon 5. All right, everyone, understood? Now if the question is find the reciprocal of 5 upon 13. If we want to find the reciprocal of 5 upon 13. So how will we find that reciprocal of 5 upon 13? So it must be inverse of 5 upon 13, that is 13 upon 5. Reciprocal of 5 upon 13 is how much? 13 upon 5. Now reciprocal of 6 upon 7 is how much? 7 upon 6. Yes, I hope everyone it is so much easy, है ना? It's easy actually. ठीक है? तो don't be confused of reciprocals. Reciprocals are nothing but उल्टा number. ठीक है? हमको number को उल्टा करना है, inverse करना है. Reciprocal of 3 is how much? Let me know in chat box. Reciprocal of 3, I'll see who will give me answer first. Reciprocal of 3 is how much? Yes. It's 1 upon 3. Good. Archana, Prathamesh, very nice. Okay. Durvesh is asking about roll number. See, Durvesh, whatever the roll number now the teacher has been displayed is correct because it is updated sheet. कोई स्टूडेंट्स एडमिशन लेते हैं, कोई लेफ्ट हो जाते हैं, तो उसके बाद में हमको वापस से एक अटेंडेंस शीट बनाना पड़ता है. ठीक है? So that's why the roll numbers are getting change. All right. So your 43 so your roll number is 43. ठीक है? अपडेटेड शीट में जो अभी आपको रोल नंबर मिला रहेगा वही आपका करेक्ट रोल नंबर है. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज. ठीक है, जो अभी अपडेटेड लिस्ट, जो रिसेंटली आपको रोल नंबर मिला है ना, वो आपका करेक्ट रोल नंबर है. ओके दुर्वेश. Other students give me answer. What is the reciprocal of 3? Only 2 students have give me answer, Archana and Prathamesh. I think other students are not understanding or they are not attentive. Okay. Now here in this case, again I will explain, again I'll give you one sum. I want answer from each and every student. What is the reciprocal of 1 upon 5? Reciprocal of 1 upon 5, what it would be? Reciprocal of 1 upon 5. Okay, Kinjal, Anshika, Archana, Shaurya, many of the students have given right answers. Yeah, everyone has given the right answer. 5 upon 1. 5 upon 1 is nothing but 5. Okay? 5 upon 1 is nothing but 5. Okay, so reciprocal of 1 upon 5 is 5 upon 1, or else you can say that 5 only. Okay, 5 upon 1 is nothing but 5. है ना? Okay. Now next is question number 2 is carry out the following divisions. ठीक है? Now divisions, don't worry about divisions. Divisions के पहले हमने reciprocal पढ़ा, right? So now division means if 2 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 4 is the question. So what we'll do? 2 upon 4 will remain as it is. हमको divide का sign का conversion करना है multiplication के sign में. When we convert this divide sign into multiplication sign, this 1 upon 4 will be getting 4 upon 1. उल्टा हो जाएगा इसका. 1 upon 4 का क्या हो जाएगा? 4 upon 1. Please pay attention everyone. Divisions are same as that of the multiplication. Only we need to convert this divide sign. हमको ये divide का जो sign है वो convert करना है multiplication के sign में. What would be the next step? 2 upon 4 will remain as it is. This divide sign will be getting converted into multiplication sign. When we convert this divide sign into multiplication sign, the numbers are getting inverted. हमको इसका reciprocal बनाना पड़ेगा जब भी हम divide का sign multiplication में convert करेंगे तो. Now 1 upon 4 will become 4 upon 1. 1 upon 4 will become now 4 upon 1. So 2 upon 4 into 4 upon 1. Okay. Now do the multiplication. 2 get multiply with 4 means 2 4s are 8. 4 get multiply with 1 means 4 1s are 4. If you divide this 8 by 4, the answer you will get that is 2. Answer is 2. समझ में आ रहा है? Yes. Now the question is, our question is what? First question, for that let me share my whiteboard with you. 2 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 4. 2 upon 3 divided by all right. So the question is 2 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 4. Now this 2 upon 3 will be remain as it is. Now this divide sign will be getting converted into multiply sign and 1 upon 4 will be getting 4 upon 1. Okay. Now numerator get multiply with numerator means 2 into 4. Denominator get multiply with denominator 3 into 1. 2 4s are 8 upon 3 1s are 3. Okay. Understood everyone? This is quite easy. सिर्फ divide का sign convert करना है. Multiplication के sign में 1 upon 4 जैसे ही हम divide का sign convert करेंगे multiplication में तो 1 upon 4 will become 4 upon 1. Then 2 get multiply with 4. 3 get multiply with 1. All right. So 2 4s are 8, 3 1s are 3. So the answer is 8 upon 3. Yes, answer is what? 8 upon 3. We'll see one more sum. 5 upon 9 divided by 3 upon 2. 5 upon 9 divided by 3 upon 2. 5 upon 9 divided by 3 upon 2. Okay. Now here also in this case, just a minute. Reciprocal Shrinchal, will pay attention na beta, you will not get such kind हो जाएगा. Clear? It's very easy. Reciprocal से easy कोई भी concept नहीं है. Yes, very good. Okay, now here the question is 5 upon 9. Many of the students have solved the sums and they have given me answers also. Very good. So 5 upon 9 divide is getting converted into multiplication. 3 upon 2 का क्या हो जाएगा? 2 upon 3. 3 upon 2 का reciprocal क्या हो जाएगा? 2 upon 3. Now 5 get multiply with 2. 9 get multiply with 3. So 5 2s are 10 or 9 3s are 27. So the answer is 10 upon 27. Okay. So many of the students have given me the answer. Very good. Okay. Let me see who have given me the answer before I taught. Very good. Archana, Prince, Haripriya, Arya, Faizan, Kritika, they have already given me answers before I taught. Very good. Very good. Okay. Jaya also. Kinjal. Now you give me answers. Ravi Shankar, Pranjal, Arnav. Very good. Now we'll see one more sum. Now before I taught, I will see who will give me answer first. The question is, just a minute. The question I will give you, 4 upon 5 divided by 3 upon 5. So I'll see who will give me answer before I taught. So see here everyone, 4 upon 5 will remain as it is. Divide get converted into multiplication. Now 3 upon 5 will be converted into 5 upon 3. Right? Now 4 get multiply with 5 and 5 get multiply with 3 because numerator get multiply with numerator, denominator get multiply with denominator. Now 4 5s are 20 and 5 3s are 15. 20 upon 15. Okay, 20 upon 15. But see students, now if we want to find the correct answers of this question, okay, so what we need to do, we'll see whether by any number they can be divided or not. ठीक है, हमको देखना है कि 20 और 15 में उनका डिवीजन होता है. ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जिनमें जिसके टेबल में 20 भी आता है और 15 भी आता है? कौन सा ऐसा टेबल है जिसके टेबल में 20? यस करेक्ट, वेरी गुड तेजस. 5. ओके, 5 के टेबल में 20 भी आता है और 15 भी आता है. तो व्हेन वी आर सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, और अगर हमको सिमिलर टर्म्स मिलती है तो हम क्या करेंगे? 20 और 15 को 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे. तो द आंसर विल बी 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15. So the answer will become 4 upon 3. ठीक है, अगर कोई ऐसा टेबल है, या तो फिर दूसरा स्टेप ऐसा है, अगर आपको न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में सेम वैल्यू दिखती है. फॉर एग्जांपल, नाउ 5 is there in numerator and 5 is there in denominator as well, है ना? 5 न्यूमरेटर में भी है, 5 डिनोमिनेटर में भी है. तो सेम टर्म्स, जो सेम टर्म्स है, दैट वुड बी गेटिंग कैंसल. ठीक है, अगर न्यूमरेटर में, मैं वापस से रिपीट करती हूँ, अगर न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में सेम टर्म्स है तो दैट वुड बी गेटिंग कैंसल. ठीक है, तो 5 विल बी गेटिंग कैंसल विथ 5. So what is left in numerator? Only 4. What is left in denominator? Only 3. So the answer is 4 upon 3. ठीक है, please make understand of this. 4 upon 5 will be remain as it is and 3 upon 5 will remain 4 upon 5, and this divide sign get converted into multiplication, so that this 3 upon 5 would get 5 upon 3. Now 4 get multiply with 5 and 5 get multiply with 3. Now in the numerator and denominator, if same numbers are there, so numerator ka 5 or denominator ka 5 are getting cancelled. So the answer will become 4/3. So the answer will become 4/3. अगर किसी को नहीं समझ में आता है तो that they would see that अगर कोई भी टेबल में 20 भी आ रहा है 15 तो they will cut that number, but उससे भी इजी ये वाला स्टेप है कि न्यूमरेटर में भी मुझे 5 दिख रहा है, डिनोमिनेटर में भी मुझे 5 दिख रहा है, तो आई विल कट बोथ दैट 5 एंड माय आंसर विल बी 4/3 ओनली. ठीक है, आई होप एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड टिल दिस. यस, yes, one more sum I will give you. All right, so the next is 3/7. 3/7 divided by 5/11. So how will we solve this? 3/7 into 11/5. Now 3 get multiply with 11, 7 get multiply with 5. Now we'll see कि कोई same number दिख रहा है हमको? Same number दिख रहा है क्या? No any same number is there. So we'll not cancel any of the number. So this 3 get multiplied with 11. 3 11s are 33 upon 7 get multiplied with 5. 7 5s are 35. So the answer will become 33/35. Yes, very good. Okay, so the answer will become 33/35. ठीक है? Understood everyone? This is quite easy. Yes. All right. Another question will take it as 11/12 divided by 4/7. 11/12. Eleven upon 12 divided by 4/7. ठीक है? Now again 11/12 will remain as it is. Divide get converted into multiply, so that 4/7 will become 7/4. Now we will see any of the number who will be multiplying, who will be cancelled. No. So 11 get multiplied with 7, 12 get multiplied with 4. Now 11 7s are 77 and 12 4s are 48. So the answer is 77/48. Correct, Archana. Very good. Anshika, very nice. Okay, Krutika, very good. Okay, everyone has given the right answer. Haripriya, Shreya, everyone, Tejas, everyone has given the right answer. Before I thought, I am very appreciating you, children. Okay, 7C and 7D. Both the divisions are having good children. Okay, they can give the answers teachers quickly. It's Pranjal, very good. Okay, so I hope everyone understood till this. I hope everyone understood till this. Shravani, there is no any student who has complaining that teacher voice is breaking. Everyone is able to hear the voice. Okay, so please check your network connection now, because I am sitting in the proper network area. So is my voice breaking? Anyone? Please do the confirmation. Voice is clear. Prathamesh said voice is clear. Okay, that means everyone is able to understand. Okay, now the next question is question number 3. Okay, so let me share my screen with you. The question is, there 220 students participating in the Swachh Bharat campaign. Campaign. They cleaned 42 by 75 part of the town Sevagram. What part of Sevagram did each student clean if the work was equally shared by all? There were 420 students participating in the Swachh Bharat campaign. Matlab, how many children there? 420. Okay. Now here, the question is 420 students participated in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and they have cleaned 42 by 75. Sorry. They have cleared 42 by 75 portion of the Sevagram town. Okay. Now we have to calculate कि every person ने कितना clean किया, every child ने कितना clean किया, ठीक है? So to know this, we need to see, we will do division or multiplication. तो 420 students है जिन्होंने 42 by 75 portion clean किया है. तो we need to find out कि every child ने कितना clean किया है. So 420 divided by 42 upon 75. So we can write it down as 420 upon 420. We can write it down as 42 divided by 75 divided by 420. Now 42 by 75 will remain as it is. Divide will get converted into 1. 420 के पास अपना denominator नहीं है तो we'll consider it as 1. So that it will be inverted 1 upon 420. Now इसमें 42 get multiply with 1 and 75 get multiply with 420. Now in this case किसी न्यूमरेटर का डिनोमिनेटर के साथ डिवीजन हो सकता है क्या? कोई दो नंबर जो एक दूसरे के जैसे दिखता है. I can say this 42 and 420 है ना? 42 ones are 42 and 42 tens are 420, right? जो denominator, numerator and denominator, we can see that 42 ones are 42, 42 tens are 420. So the answer will become 1 upon 75. Answer will become 1 upon 75 into 10, which is equal to 1 upon 750. 1 upon 750. So the answer is 1 upon 750. So each, no, 1 upon 75 is not the answer, beta. 75 multiplied by 10, 10 is still there, na? If you'll see, 10 is still there. See? 1. I'll repeat this again. Please pay attention, everyone. See, 42 by 75 part will be cleared by 420 children, है ना? So here 42 upon 75 will remain as it is. Divide get converted into multiply sign. Here 420 is having no denominator, so we'll consider it as 1. So 1 upon 420. ठीक है? Now 42 get multiply with 1 as numerator get multiply with numerator. Denominator get multiply with denominator. Now यहाँ पे कोई भी चीज आपको सेम दिख रही है क्या? Yes, 42 ones are 42, 42 tens are 420. Now in this case, this one get multiply with 1 and 75 Sorry, here 75 will come. 75. So 1 get multiply with 1 and 75 get multiply with 10. So 1 ones are 1 or 75 into 10 is 750. So 75 into 10 is 750. Okay? So the answer is 1 upon 750. So the answer is what? 1 upon 750. All right, everyone. 1 upon 750. I hope everyone clear till this. Okay. All right. Is there any doubt regarding this? Yes. Aniket Tiwari, I have unmuted you. Is there any doubt regarding this?
No, teacher.
So why you raised your hand, beta? Have you understood this, what the teacher is telling to you? Harsh? Harsh, do you have any doubt regarding this?
No, teacher, but I have question.
What question you have?
I go to the chat box due to answer, but when I return to the screen, but screen is black.
Okay. It might be some problem. Don't worry about it. Srishti Pandey.
Hello, teacher.
Hmm?
Teacher, I was absent previous
Just a minute, just a minute.